Welcome back. Interest rates are in the twos, the lowest in years. So right now is the ideal time to qualify for a new mortgage or to refi. Brent Ivinson from Ideal Home Loans has all the details. All right, Brent, how are you currently helping folks with the mortgage process these days?
Well, the great thing is, thanks to an investment in our digital technology platform several years ago, we are operating completely from home. So you can operate from home as well. And interacting with us, we can keep you home, safe, and saving with some of the lowest rates we have ever seen. When I got started in this business in 1996, I never thought we'd see mortgage rates that began with a two. But here we are, 30-year fixed rates, 2.625%. With an APR of 2.701, the lowest rates we've ever seen.
Well, then obviously now is the time to take advantage of them, correct?
Well, absolutely. And this helps not only current homeowners, but it helps home buyers as well. When you see rates at these low levels, if you're a homeowner, you could be saving $300 or $400 a month by refinancing. If you are a home buyer, you qualify for more home with a lower monthly payment thanks to these record low rates. So it is a perfect opportunity for anybody looking at buying or refinancing their existing mortgage as well.
All right, you're a local mortgage banker, not a broker. Talk about the benefits that is to your customers.
Well, the big benefit is speed and ease and cost. Lending directly, we can eliminate the middleman. So that allows us to deliver lower fees, lower interest rates. That translates into lower monthly payments. But the bigger piece of that puzzle is this: we can make it simple and easy. Because we're lending our own money, because we have our own underwriters, because everything's done in-house, we quote you fees, interest rates, timelines. We can guarantee all those things because we're in control. When you go to a broker, they're simply a middleman between you and the bank trying to negotiate the best possible deal. And they're at the mercy of whatever the bank wants to offer and whatever the bank wants to do as well. So with us, the great thing is, if you had a terrible experience in the past when you tried to do a home loan, it's more likely about who you choose to handle that home loan rather than the process itself. So because we're a direct lender, we can make this process simple, fast, and easy.
Something else you also help people with is managing their debt. Can you talk a little bit about that?
Well, yeah, we've got this perfect scenario for consumers right now. One, home values have been going up at record paces the last 3 or 4 years in a row. Rates are now at the lowest levels ever. This is the perfect recipe to get cash out of your home, pay off debt, consolidate bills, and get ahead. And here's the great thing: you are going to win on all three fronts right now. We're going to show you how to pay your house off more quickly. We're going to show you how to get rid of that credit card debt. We are also going to show you how to save significantly by paying your house off more quickly, all while putting money back in your savings account so that you can turn to cash instead of credit the next time you have some sort of an emergency.
Well, you have lots of happy customers. Let's go ahead and listen to one of them.
I was referred to Ideal Home Loans and I did a new purchase with them, and I'm so glad that I was referred to them because they made the loan process so easy with their online platform. I would absolutely go with Ideal Home Loans again and would refer them to all my friends and family.
So Brent, let's also talk a little bit about what it's like to work with Ideal Home Loans. If I called right now, what can I expect?
Well, you're going to talk to a salary-based lending specialist, and they're salary-based for a reason. We want you to be able to talk openly and honestly about what it is you're trying to accomplish so that they can advise you on the best path. Believe it or not, this is a process where we can have your mortgage working for you rather than you working just to pay your mortgage each and every month. But if we know what your short-term and your long-term goals are, we can go to work to customize that mortgage and really put you in a situation that helps you, not just finances your home at the same time.
Now, a lot of people are actually getting shorter term mortgages. I know, surprisingly, we're not stretching them out as much. Tell us how they work and the advantages to that.
Well, the advantages are you're going to pay less interest over time. So, I get this question all the time: is what's the smartest thing I can do with my home loan? And, it's really simple. Pay it off as fast as possible. Right now, because of how low 15-year fixed rates are, they're in the low twos at this point. We're having a lot of people take advantage of getting rid of that 30-year mortgage, going to a shorter 15-year term. And what they're doing is they're saving themselves a massive amount of money in payments and interest by shortening that term. But what they're finding is they're not spending much more in payment because of how low these interest rates are on 15-year mortgages. It is one of the smartest things you can do financially. Your mortgage is your biggest bill and your biggest debt. Pay it off as fast as possible.
Well, I want to kind of piggyback on what you just said there, because a lot of people might be halfway through their loan and they don't want to have to start all over again. Do they have to do that? if they want to
No,
refi?
they don't. This is our custom term mortgage. And the last time we saw rates at record low levels was in 2016. And as you know, we've been lending in Colorado since 2001. So we had clients calling us wanting to take advantage of interest rates, but not wanting to start over on that loan. And the thing we heard again and again is, I'm 5 or 6 years into my mortgage, or maybe 11 or 12 years. And yeah, I know rates are great. I know I can save a bunch of money and lower my monthly payment, but I really don't want to add back onto my loan. Would it be possible to keep going forward? And that's where our custom term mortgage was born. So gone are the days where you have to reset your mortgage and start over on a whole new home loan when you refinance. You can take the progress you've made from your current loan onto your new loan, but get the benefit of lower interest rates and lower payments while still paying your house off as scheduled originally.
We love having you on, Brent. Thank you so much. Start saving and manage debt with these low interest rates. Call 303-867-7000 to schedule your free mortgage consultation or to start your refinance process. Now, your first new payment is not due until November of 2020. Learn more online at idealhomeloans.com. They paid for today's segment. Keep it here.